Welcome back, adventurers. Cameron here with TailWalkers Adventure Company. Want to introduce some new friends today. First of all, you'll notice the red truck and the red boat. You're used to the blue truck and the blue boat. When you see us coming down the river, here are the people you're going to be seeing.
What's up, adventurers? It's Quinn here, lead guide for TailWalkers Adventure Company. I'm here with my dad Mark, and we just got off the water on the Lower Provo. Beautiful day, a little bit windy and challenging, but we got a few big fish on streamers and a couple on some attractor nymph patterns as well.
Saw an osprey flying down the river today, muskrats, beavers, quite a bit of wildlife as well. It was an awesome day on the water.
Gave my river rat the first try, the inaugural run, and it was absolutely beautiful. Couldn't ask for anything more. So,
Caught fish?
This is the biggest one we've caught yet.
Oh my God, look at him.
oh man, the big ball and males like me, dude.
This is the biggest one we've caught yet.
Oh my God.